My name is Will Traylor, and I'm a tutor from the Student Success Center of Dublin. And today I'm going to be showing you how to log into WC Online and how to schedule an appointment with the tutors of the different campuses. So basically what you want to start with is go to the Middle Georgia homepage and click on Menu over here at the right and scroll down to Student Success Center. Once you click on that, it should bring you down to this page, and what you want to scroll down to the bottom and click on Book a Tutoring Appointment. When you do that, it should take you to this web link, which is My WC Online. This is the scheduling system for all the tutors on all the campuses. So it should automatically pull you up to the Student Success Center. And within this link over here, you should be able to find all of the tutors among all the different campuses in the Student Success Centers. This gives you a weekly chart for all of the available appointments that you can schedule on all 5 campuses. So basically how this works is today is Tuesday, September the 8th, and so it shows all of the tutors on the left-hand side for all the different campuses. You can see I'm down here at the bottom for the Dublin campus. Basically, you want to look at, we offer online classes, or online tutoring, as well as face-to-face, and you can see based off of each tutor, it varies. So I'm online only this semester, but if you need to, you can email me and I can meet face-to-face. But this kind of shows you where the tutor is, as well as what their kind of schedule looks like if they're face-to-face or online. To the right of this, you see their open appointments. You can see I'm open from 12 p.m. to 2:30, or to 3 o'clock on Tuesdays, as well as Thursdays down here. To schedule an appointment, you're going to look for one of these white blanks and click on them. It'll give you this little digital form to fill out. What you're going to do is fill in your own name at the top. So I put in Will Traylor. And your account should pop up and it'll autofill, and then you're going to want to schedule your time. So most people choose an hour, but you can do segments of 30 minutes each. So if you can only meet from 12 to 12:30, but you can also schedule above an hour as well too. That's fine. So you'll scroll down a little bit more and fill in your instructor. So you had Pamela Arlov. Click on her name, and then you don't have to fill out this piece right here, but just say, or this piece right here. Just put what you want to work on today. So if this is a math class, you would put, I want to work on graphing functions or any sort of thing like that. Down here at the bottom, you've got to choose what class you want to focus on. So this is my list that I tutor in. All of the tutors vary, so if you see something, or if you have a class that you want to get tutoring in, but I don't teach it, look at some of the other tutors. A lot of times, we cover most of the classes here, so one way or another, you can find one of the tutors will teach the class that you need. Put in what class that you're taking. That way I kind of have an idea of what we want to work on. And like I said, put right here the material that you want to go over and work on, so that way the tutors have a heads up as to what. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom and put Create Appointment. So if I want to create an appointment, it would turn one of these white spaces into a blue space. I definitely recommend putting in your school email as well as your phone number into these accounts, because say a tutor needs to cancel an appointment or rearrange stuff, you'll get an email and text notification that they've canceled stuff, and you have time to adapt to that. So all of the tutoring is free, completely free. The account's free, and the Middle Georgia tutoring is free, so I definitely recommend it. It's a very good assistance for any class that you need help in. I recommend coming before the first test, because a lot of people like to come right after the second test, or right after the first test once they get that first bad grade. So I recommend, if you think you're going to do bad on the first test, go ahead and schedule an appointment and come see one of our tutors and try and get help before you have to get that bad grade. As well as a lot of people after the first test schedule appointments, and we get booked up really quickly. So just a word of advice, schedule earlier than later. But it's completely free. This is how you just schedule up for appointments, and that's about it.